Let's talk about nonverbal communicative initiations. Nonverbal initiations are recognizable, but we need to be looking for them. They can go unnoticed more often than verbal initiations because the child is not saying words for us to hear. The child may hand us something or pull us to a place they desire, or in some other way indicate their intent without words. We need to be watching our child to catch nonverbal communicative initiations. Nonverbal initiations are the first to occur from the moment of birth, well before a child uses words, and they continue to occur even after the child is speaking. Nonverbal initiations do occur less frequently as the child grows older. Notwithstanding, it is important to respond to nonverbal initiations. That is where the communication begins.